In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can promote Secret of Success and Legendary Marketer. If you have any of these products, for example, as you can see in the screen, this is the latest training about mindset that Russell Brunson has created, and I just want to show you that this is a good training. We have books from these people, for example, Napoleon Hill. I have here 6 courses available from Charles Hannell, 1 course available. And basically, I'm going to receive 2 credits per month. And I can use any of these credits. So I have right now 2. I can use any of those credits to unlock the books. For example, if I want to unlock, so let's say Earl Nightingale. So I can click here on this person. And as you can see, this person, I have here 4 books: The Field, Secret Advantage, The Strangest Secret, and Your Success Starts Here. And the only thing I need to do is click, and I can use the credit to unlock the audiobook. Now, if you have this training, Secret of Success, you know that you can become an affiliate by clicking here, referral program. And I'm going to show you a cool way in which you can promote this training. The other product that I'm going to show you is Legendary Marketer. So as you may know, this is a complete training about how to start a digital marketing business, a freelance digital marketing business from scratch. And for example, here I'm in the affiliate links. So let me show you the process that I'm going to use to promote these 2 products. For example, this is the referral program, and the link that I'm going to copy and paste, it's this one, the Bibliomania video landing page. So I'm going to copy this link, and then I'm going to go on this software. So the name of this software is Funnel Freedom, and here you're going to be able to promote, check this out, all of these products: the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, which is software, Secret of Success, System.io, Legendary Marketer. Also, we can promote Get Response, Udemy, InVideo. So, and the way to promote these products is by copying and pasting the affiliate links. So in this case, I'm going to go here. So this is the referral program for Secrets of Success. I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to paste it here. Paste it. Done. And to promote Legendary Marketer, I'm here in the affiliate links, and I need to use the Business Challenge Live Theme Best Converting. So I'm going to copy this link and paste it right over here. Paste it. Done. And that is how I'm going to promote these products. Then I need to scroll down and click on Update Affiliate Links. Now let me show you. This software has a done for you system that you can use to promote all of these products. And I made my commission with this system in less than 30 days. So it may take up to 60 seconds for the changes to appear in the system. So right now I'm going to show you the landing page that I'm using to collect leads. So basically, if I click on sites, here we have these funnels set up. And I didn't create the funnels. So inside of the software, as an affiliate for this system, funnelfreedom.io, we can utilize the resources. So let's check this out, sites. And also, if you want to create a new funnel, you can click here, new funnel, and you can create your own funnels or sales funnels. So let me go to automation. So in automation, we have here the workflows, which are the email sequences. But the one thing that I want to show you right now, guys, is the funnel that I'm using to collect leads. So basically, it's a done for you funnel, and it's this one, Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. So I'm driving traffic to a simple opt-in page, and I'm collecting leads. And I'm giving away this free course. So imagine that you can start an affiliate business from complete scratch, in which you don't need to do the opt-in page, the sales funnel, create a lead magnet, or the email sequence to nurture your leads, because that's the power of this system. So this system has all of these things integrated. So if I click here, and this is the landing page or opt-in page that I'm using, how anyone can start. The number one beginner friendly, fully automated business from home. And when people click this button, I can collect the name and the email. Then the software itself is going to send emails automatically. So first of all, it's going to send the free course, which has 7 modules. And then it's going to start sending all of the products that I just showed it to you. And it has, if I go to automation, so check this out. If I go to automations, we're going to see here white label course, Freedom Ascension. Here we have the email sequence, and we use this email sequence to promote products, give valuable information, and also to promote our affiliate links. Here we have 6 nurturing sequence of 60 days. So that is why this system is powerful. So check this out. We have also here, this is an import list, max 960-day Freedom Ascension. So we have all of these resources inside the software, and the Freedom.io support team is like updating these email sequences. So, and that is how this software is going to like disrupt how people start an affiliate marketing business, because people sometimes they don't know how to do the tech stuff, and here they are going to have like this zone for you system that is going to do everything to make commissions with low ticket products, high ticket products, and software. Now the only thing that we need to do is drive traffic to the opt-in page, and you can do that by creating content, writing blogs, or paid ads. So there are free traffic strategies and paid traffic strategies. So this system funnel Freedom.io is going to be launched very soon on November 27th. If you want to get access to the waitlist, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you can start like testing it, and you can be ready for the launch, guys. If you have any questions about the software, you can write in the comments below. Like and subscribe to this video if you want. God bless and talk to you soon.